Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for the screen replacement. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a suction cup. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing small parts. Start by powering off your Huawei GT2 Pro. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the disassembly. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover of the watch. Be sure to keep these screws organized as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the internal components. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you might have missed. With the back cover off, you'll see the battery connector. Carefully use your tweezers to disconnect the battery. This step ensures that there's no power running through the device while you work on it. Next, you'll need to remove the old screen. To do this, apply heat to the edges of the display using a heat gun or hairdryer. This softens the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the body. Once heated, use the suction cup to lift the screen gently while inserting the plastic spudger between the screen and the frame. Work your way around the edges, making sure not to damage any internal components. After removing the screen, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your new screen. If you're unsure about any step or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can guide you through the process or handle it for you. Now, let's prepare to install the new screen. Align it properly with the frame and press gently to ensure it adheres well. Reconnect the battery connector securely, ensuring that it sits firmly in place. Before sealing everything back up, it's wise to test the new screen. Power on the device to check for functionality. If everything works correctly, proceed to reattach the back cover. Fasten the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about any calls or travel. Just schedule a time that works for you, and we'll take care of the rest. To finish up, make sure everything is sealed properly, and perform a final check to ensure that the watch is functioning as expected. If you notice any issues, refer back to our professional services where you can get a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed every step of the way. Following these steps should help you successfully replace the screen on your Huawei GT2 Pro, allowing you to enjoy your smartwatch once again with a brand new display. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.